Students, I just want to kind of draw your attention to a couple things as we're going through. One, I waited a little bit, I think it's Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday, to send a weekly message because I'm trying to get everybody going, and I've been working very hard, many hours a day, trying to make sure everybody knows what they're doing, how to have their IXL passwords, helping them with lessons. And one thing I've noticed is that it doesn't make necessarily sense for me always just to answer a question once, because if I do, that question is going to come again and again. And so what I want to draw your attention to is this feature, this announcements feature. And I'm not sure when I make an announcement whether it pops up on your screen. I don't think it does. I think you have to go to announcements. So maybe, once every couple of days, click on announcements. All right, and you're going to see what I've been doing is things come up. I was posting in the Teams chat, so down here on Teams we have a Teams chat, and I was posting here, trying to get, but I'm not sure how everybody's, looking at this, and I've decided that it's kind of redundant to do it twice. So as I answer questions, if I see I'm going to answer it more than one time, then I'm going to make a new announcement. And so this video I will send as I send in an email, but then that'll be the last announcement I send in emails. I'm just going to use this feature. Two, if I'm noticing on for Advanced Math 2 only, when students work on this Unit 1 assessment, I'm not getting a notification for it. I'm not sure why. So if ever there's a time where more than a night goes by and I don't grade something, please let me know, because there's a chances are that maybe I just didn't see it. So, and in terms of the other thing that's an issue for a lot of you is scheduling. If we look at the calendar for this summer, last week was week 1. You were trying to get week 1 done. Week 2, what I noticed happened at the end of last week is there was a lot of tests being done on Sunday, and that's absolutely fine. You can work through the weekend. Last Sunday was my daughter's birthday, was actually yesterday, but we celebrated it on Sunday, and you'll notice I was a little bit, it was going to be a day. And next weekend, I'm very excited. Next weekend, I get to take one of my children to see Pink in Vienna. So on Sunday, it'll be another, if you do the work, know that I will grade it on Monday. All right, so I'm going to just run back through. Use the announcements, please. That when things come up, when I notice because I'm trying to do everything I do in a year fast. So sometimes I forget the things I would normally do with a class because I'm trying to have everybody move so quickly. So if I'm noticing that, I'm putting it in the announcements, like the Desmos classroom. This is really important. Everybody has a classroom. If you join this, it'll make it faster for you to do some activities in the lessons. You don't have to do them when you log in. They're built into the lessons, so you'll know when to do them. What was another announcement on here this week? The grading. I put a video on making sure you understand how the course is being graded, all right? And as far as working on your units, you guys, the Advanced Math 1 and Advanced Math 2, they have a portfolio which you're working on as you go, so you have a little bit of leeway on that 1 unit a week. You will also get faster as you go. So if you're not quite at a unit now, then you'll be able to make up the time as long as you're working every day. If you're not working every day yet, please do so. I can't clone myself at the end of the summer when people want to finish and they haven't worked all summer. So I can work consistently if you work consistently. I cannot sit down and help a student finish multiple units the last week. The last week of school, you should be finishing the portfolio for Advanced Math 1 and 2, and algebra should be finishing Unit 10. If you are Unit Recovery, I haven't had a single person send me their schedule yet. And you'll notice I'm not begging for these things. It's your responsibility to do this. I'm here to help you. I will show you one more thing. This is some of my chats. All right, so I want you to see how much I'm going back and forth with students. All right, you shouldn't feel shy at all about asking me questions. Right, I'm chatting with students all the time, so don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Just please don't wait till the last minute. All right, that's all for today. Have a good day.